When it comes to diamonds, shape is everything. It influences how light dances inside the stone, how big the diamond appears, and even what kind of personality it reflects. Whether you are exploring jewelry near me, shopping at luxury jewelry stores, or admiring the sparkle of fine jewelry in Arcadia, understanding diamond shapes can make your next purchase both meaningful and smart. Every diamond shape has its own charm. Some shapes feel classic, others bold and modern. But one thing is universal. The right shape transforms a beautiful diamond into your diamond. Below, we break down the most popular diamond shapes you'll find in the best jewelry stores in Arcadia and beyond, along with a few expert tips for choosing one that suits your taste, lifestyle, and budget. The round brilliant, the timeless star. If you picture a diamond in your mind, chances are it's a round brilliant. This iconic shape has 58 precise facets, all cut to maximize fire, brilliance, and sparkle. That's why it remains the most popular shape in jewelry stores worldwide. When you visit high-end jewelry in Arcadia, you'll notice round diamonds everywhere, from engagement rings to stud earrings. This cut complements almost every style and hand shape, which makes it perfect for those who want classic beauty that never goes out of fashion. If you're looking for the nearest jewelry shop that carries the best round-cut diamonds, you'll have no trouble finding one in Arcadia's vibrant jewelry scene. The Princess Cut, sharp, modern, and glamorous. The Princess Cut is sleek and sophisticated, known for its square or rectangular shape with pointed corners. It's one of the best options for those who want a diamond that sparkles intensely yet feels modern. When browsing through jewelry stores in Arcadia, you'll find plenty of Princess Cut engagement rings, often chosen by people who love both luxury and edge. Its brilliance rivals that of the round cut, but it offers a geometric contemporary twist. This cut is also relatively affordable per carat compared to other shapes, making it a smart choice for couples visiting jewelry near me shops to find the perfect ring. The Cushion Cut, vintage romance. Cushion-cut diamonds are beloved for their soft, pillow-like shape. They combine the sparkle of modern cuts with the romantic feel of antique designs. If you adore old Hollywood glamour or vintage charm, this is your shape. You'll often spot this cut in Arcadia jewelry repair shops, where customers bring in heirloom pieces to restore or reset the stones. Because the Cushion Cut has a timeless look, it's frequently passed down through generations and cherished for decades. If you're drawn to romance, this shape can make your search for the nearest jewelry store in Arcadia even more exciting. Many jewelers can customize a Cushion Cut setting just for you. The Oval Cut, elegant and elongating. The oval cut offers the brilliance of a round diamond, but with an elongated silhouette that flatters the hand beautifully. It often looks larger than a round stone of the same carat weight, which makes it a favorite among shoppers who visit jewelry stores in Arcadia looking for more diamond for the money. Oval diamonds are also perfect for creative custom designs. If you're visiting a local Arcadia jewelry repair shop to reset an old stone or create a bespoke piece, this shape gives you endless flexibility in style and setting. The Emerald Cut, sophisticated and striking. Known for its Hall of Mirrors effect, the Emerald Cut has long, rectangular facets that emphasize clarity over sparkle. Instead of glittering flashes, it glows with a serene, glass-like brilliance. This cut is often seen in high-end jewelry, in Arcadia boutiques where customers appreciate refined, understated luxury. The Emerald Cut looks breathtaking in platinum or yellow gold settings, making it ideal for minimalists who prefer elegance over extravagance. If you're visiting jewelry stores or searching jewelry near me to find something classic yet commanding, this cut might be your perfect match. The Radiant Cut, a balance of fire and shape. Radiant cut diamonds combine the rectangular elegance of an emerald cut with the sparkle of a round. This hybrid shape catches light beautifully, offering maximum brilliance in a structured form. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia carry radiant cuts because they strike the perfect balance between traditional and modern aesthetics. Whether you're choosing a new ring or exploring options for jewelry repair around me, the radiant cut can bring a fresh, dazzling look to your collection. The pear shape, unique and graceful, the pear-shaped diamond, also known as a teardrop, is perfect for someone who loves individuality. It's elegant, feminine, and creates a slimming effect on the finger. If you're looking for jewelry near me or visiting an Arcadia jewelry repair shop, ask to see how the pear shape looks set in a halo or solitaire design. Its versatility makes it a stunning centerpiece for both rings and pendants. The marquise's cut, dramatic and regal. The marquise cut is long and pointed at both ends, designed to make the diamond appear larger than it really is. This bold, regal shape dates back to French royalty and is still considered one of the most eye-catching cuts available in fine jewelry. You'll often find this design showcased in luxury jewelry stores or custom workshops for Arcadia jewelry repair. Many jewelers love working with this shape because it creates a dramatic and distinctive look, especially when accented with side stones. The heart shape, the ultimate symbol of love. A heart-shaped diamond is the most romantic of them all. It's a symbol of devotion and sentimentality, making it an ideal choice for special gifts or meaningful engagement rings. When you walk into jewelry stores in Arcadia, you might see heart-shaped diamonds used in pendants, earrings, or anniversary pieces. They're beautiful, emotional, and timeless. If you have a family heirloom or sentimental ring that needs updating, visit a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop. Expert jewelers can reset or redesign your heart-shaped diamond into something fresh while preserving its meaning. The Asher cut, vintage perfection. If you love vintage jewelry, the Asher cut deserves your attention. It's square, step-cut, and exudes an Art Deco vibe. The Asher's symmetry and clean lines create a window-like look that's both glamorous and architectural. When exploring jewelry in Arcadia, you'll notice that Asher cuts often appear in antique-inspired collections or custom designs. Many jewelry repair around me specialists in Arcadia also handle Asher diamonds carefully because of their sharp edges and open facets. How to choose the perfect diamond shape. Choosing the right diamond shape isn't just about looks. It's about what fits your hand, your lifestyle, and your personal story. Consider your style. Do you love vintage or modern? Romantic or minimalist? The shape you pick will speak to that. Think about maintenance. Some shapes with sharp corners, like princess or marquise, might need occasional visits to your local Arcadia jewelry repair shop to keep prongs secure. Try them on. Different cuts can look completely different once they're on your finger. Visit jewelry stores in Arcadia and see them in person. Ask a professional. Jewelers who specialize in jewelry, repair around me, and custom design can help you choose a shape that fits your setting and style. Why Arcadia is a hidden gem for fine jewelry. Arcadia has become one of the most beloved destinations for jewelry enthusiasts. From boutique jewelry stores in Arcadia to family-owned Arcadia jewelry repair shops, the area blends traditional craftsmanship with modern artistry. When you search for jewelry near me, you'll find stores that don't just sell diamonds, they educate you about them. And when you type nearest jewelry, chances are you will land on an Arcadia shop known for exceptional service and attention to detail. If you own precious jewelry that needs cleaning, resizing, or restoration, local experts in Arcadia jewelry repair are some of the best in California. They'll treat your pieces with the care and respect they deserve. Discover the brilliance of Dorano jewelry. If you're looking for high-quality diamonds, stunning designs, and exceptional service, Dorano jewelry is the place to go. We're one of the most respected jewelry stores in Arcadia, known for combining craftsmanship, creativity, and customer care. Dorano jewelry offers everything from elegant engagement rings to expert Arcadia jewelry repair. Our master jewelers can help you design custom pieces, restore heirlooms, or simply find the diamond shape that perfectly captures your style. Instead of endlessly searching jewelry near me or jewelry repair around me, visit Dorano Jewelry today. Experience firsthand why we're one of the most trusted names for fine jewelry in Arcadia. From breathtaking diamonds to personalized repair services, Dorano Jewelry brings brilliance, beauty, and craftsmanship together right in the heart of Arcadia.